We've had these purple martins here since about 1997. And we started just with one house, and now we're up to 92 available cavities. And it kind of became a hobby, then a passion, then an obsession. And now I know it's an obligation to take care of these birds. And a lot of people think I must be crazy to feed them, but we began teaching the purple martins how to eat launched scrambled eggs, and it's been quite successful. There are many of these new landowners out here that want to learn how to do things right. They want to learn how to be good land stewards. How can we bring back the birds? How can we bring back the pollinators? And that's what we're hoping to do with this property, is to teach people how to do that. The girls. I call them my ladies of the prairie.
The cattle emulate what would have been the bison on the tall grass prairie. We no longer have those bison migrating across the plains. So we use cattle as a tool to emulate their role on the prairie, most of which would be disturbance.
So I go out on a daily basis and check to see where we need to move the cows. Come on, let's go! Come on! Go!
It used to be an old dairy farm, so this is truly a perfect demonstration area of going from a very overused property to the tall grass prairie.
Come on! Come on, mamas! I don't let them take them down to the ground because that's why we lost our natives in the first place. Oh, they're eating nothing but rye right now. Well, also, I think over here they were eating some dock.
Some curly dock?
Some curly dock, and they are eating the seed heads off the top of them right now.
A prairie landscape specifically is incredibly diverse. And without that diversity of the plant life, we also lose that diversity of animals, and it's invaluable.
This is broom sedge bluestem.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I transplanted that out of the garden. It's not a great forage, but I'm sure for lots of wildlife it's great cover.
Yeah. One thing that you'll know once you meet Julie is that she consistently says, "This land doesn't belong to me. I'm just a guest here." We began working with Julie through the Pastures for Upland Birds program, and we started a partnership to help fund her outdoor classroom.
Everybody say cheese!
We are super excited to have all of you here at the Prairie Classroom. So we're gonna start with an exploration. We're gonna be looking for migratory birds.
Yes, that's a mockingbird.
Do you see the birds up here? So those are red-winged blackbirds.
Yeah, I can see one. Yeah, there's a big one in there.
It's just extraordinary that we can get all these young kids out here to learn about the outdoor nature and the prairie ecosystem, because they are our future. And to have these kids experience nature and all that it has to offer, that's what does it for me.
I see purple martins up in the sky.
So much about learning is derived around play. And so when children are in nature, they immerse themselves in the environment. They learn from looking at the ground, looking up at the sky, participating with their hands. It's a valuable tool to teach our next generation of conservationists.
1, 2, 3.